What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with Modern Pro Polish with the tip of the day for paint correction. Focus on greatness and not perfection. And what I mean by that is focus on being a great detailer, being a great paint corrector, and pushing out good work. Don't focus on perfecting the work, because you're gonna have a few defects here and there. You're gonna have some things that you can't get out, especially in the beginning. So focus on greatness, running a great business, and focus on perfection later. That's it for today, guys. The paint is waiting on you. Peace. If you guys are looking at learning more about paint correction and taking your craft to another level, turn your system into consistency and join us at the Pro Polishers Academy Crew app, where we're going to have daily chats and we're going to have discussions about your questions and whatever it is that you may have challenges with. The first 100 to enroll will be free. We pay for the system out of pocket, so we are literally paying for you to come in and learn. So don't take it for granted. Get in there. We're going to have question and answers, tips and tricks every day, and we're going to have weekly phone calls. And my good friend Jose Castro from Refined Auto Paint Restoration will be there as well. And this guy's a beast at what he does. He works on six-figure classic cars to six-figure exotic cars, and he knows his stuff. Don't take it for granted. Instagram is cool, but it'll only take you so far. You can get in here in the Crew app and ask us your specific questions, and we'll be happy to help you right away. So let's build a community and see where it takes us. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.